Another application of integration is finding the average value of a function. On the left-hand side, I have a function f of x from x equals a to x equals b, and I've shaded the area underneath the graph. On the right-hand side, I've transformed that same area into a rectangle. You can see that the width of this area is the same, but the height is slightly different. The height of a rectangle is obviously constant. Now the height of this specific rectangle is going to represent the average value. This small diagram helps us get the equation of the average value. So the area of the left-hand side, we should know, is equal to the integral from a to b of f of x dx. Now the area of the right-hand side is going to be the same thing, but another expression of it, because it is a rectangle, will be equal to b minus a, essentially the base of the rectangle, multiplied by the height. I'll just call that AVE for average. Now these should be equal to each other. So what I do is I make them equal to each other. So I say average multiplied by b minus a is equal to the integral from a to b of f of x dx. Therefore, I can get the average value as 1 over b minus a multiplied by the integral from a to b of f of x dx. And this is the formula for the average value of a function. Let's apply this to a specific example where we're asked to find the average value of y is equal to x squared plus 1 from x equals 0 to x equals 2. This application is very simple because we can just apply the formula as necessary. So I can just say the average value is equal to 1 over 2 minus 0, which is our range of x values, multiplied by the integral from 0 to 2 of our function, which is x squared plus 1 dx. 1 over 2 minus 0 just becomes 1/2. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. The integral of 1 is x. So my bounds are going to be 0 and 2. Half, and then let's just substitute in our bounds now. 2 cubed is 8, divided by 3, plus 2. And then we minus 0, because 0 into both of these things is just going to become 0. Therefore, we have 1/2 multiplied by 8 over 3 plus 2. Now 8 over 3 plus 2 is just going to be 8 over 3 plus 6 over 3, making it the same denominator, so we can add the two fractions together. 1/2 multiplied by 14 over 3 becomes 7 over 3. So this is going to be the average value of our function x squared plus 1 in between x equals 0 and x equals 2.